You've got a brain bug. Yep, one you probably don't even realize is running the show. And I promise it is stealing your confidence every single day. You see, a brain bug is like faulty software in your head. It's a hidden belief that keeps just replaying on autopilot. Maybe it's things like, I'm not good enough, or if I fail, everyone will laugh at me. Or how about other people are smarter, prettier, or stronger than me? See, now you don't remember installing it, but it is there. And if you don't catch it, that bug will run your decisions, your relationships, and even your self-worth. So when I was younger, my brain bug was this, like, don't speak up unless you're 100% sure that you're right, because I would be embarrassed. I mean, guess what that did? It kept me quiet in class, silent in conversations, and small in places where I could have learned or even led. Looking back now, well, I realize it wasn't true. It was just a bug I let control me. So why is this harmful? Well, brain bugs make you hesitate when you should move. They make you doubt when you're ready and you know the answer. They shrink you down into overthinking and comparing and second guessing. And here's the kicker. Most of the time, they're not even yours. They came from somebody else's comment, maybe some old fear, or just some dumb thing that society just keeps repeating. So, what is this in connection to grit, moxie, and critical thinking, my recipe for confidence? Well, here's how you fix the bug. Grit is daring to act anyway, even with the bug still buzzing in your head. In moxie, well, you're refusing to let that bug write your story after you fail, because you will fail sometimes. I promise, it's part of the recipe, and you should applaud yourself because you've just cleared a hurdle. And critical thinking, well, that critical thinking is spotting the bug in the first place, asking, wait, is this true, or is it just a script I picked up somewhere? And that's the recipe. That's how you debug your brain. Listen, I just don't give you the BS here. I'll tell you straight. Everyone has brain bugs. Adults, teachers, parents, me. And the difference is some people debug them and some people let them take over their lives. And if you want a step-by-step way to spot and rewrite your own brain bugs, my workbook is at PowHerup.com, and it's designed for that. So here's my challenge for you. Go ahead and write down one thought that keeps showing up in your head. Something that makes you doubt yourself. And then ask yourself, is this actually true? Or is this just my brain bug? See, smart girls don't let bugs run their lives. They debug them, reprogram their thinking, and build confidence that actually lasts. And you've got the recipe to do it.